Hey everyone, Eli here with Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at this Norelie RedRevive Red Light Therapy Wand. This is great for anyone that's interested in red light therapy focused on specific areas of their body. Since it is a wand form, you can kind of hold it against your skin, move it around, and get the benefits of red light therapy in pinpointed locations on your body. So here is the box. I'm going to go ahead and pull it out. I've actually already unboxed this. So it will have wrapping around each of the components, but here is the wand itself. The red light is on this side. It's got a power button, a timer button, and also the turn on button there. And then you can see right here what kind of power you're at, how long you have left. It also comes with these green glasses. You want to make sure that you use these. These will help your eyes not strain. Here you have the cord to go ahead and charge this thing. You don't need to have it plugged in though while you're using it, which is nice. And then you've got the USB brick right here to wall that will go ahead and allow you to charge up the wand. There is also this carry bag available. There is also conductive gel available. Simply squeeze some of that onto your hand, rub it in the area that you want to go ahead and use the red light, and not really too much of a smell to that, and it also goes on quite well. I'm going to press the power button again once I see the time come on here, and now we've got the red light activated. So it will have a countdown. You can adjust the power by pressing this right here. So there's low, there's medium low, there's medium high, and then there's high. And then you simply put it on your skin. It looks like there are 5, 10, 15, and 20-minute options. So you can go ahead and use this for as long as you like. You can keep it in one area, you can slowly move it, and the gel makes it nice and easy to slide it around. It also helps the red light reach the below your skin nice and easily. So the thing I like is that you can really put this wherever you want. You can do it on your face, you can do it on your arms, legs, any part of your body that you wish. Additionally, you can get it with this stand here, and you simply put it in the stand like so. You can maneuver this around however you like. You can have it pointed at one part of your body, so you can go ahead and do different tasks like use the computer, read a book, watch TV, and not have to worry about holding on to the red light at all. This is an adjustable stand, so you can go ahead and easily close it off for transportation purposes. So overall, the benefits of this thing are amazing. I highly recommend you get this RedRevive wand if you're looking for a portable way of experiencing red light therapy, if you want to target certain areas of your body and you want it all in a high quality device. Thanks for watching.